Hi everyone, just a quick video, part 1 of door hinge installation. I'll just cover the mock-up in this video. These are recessed pocket hinges off one of the hot rod sites. These actually recess into the door. I'll show you how that goes. This way, sorry. This pocket here will get mounted in here, right in this location. And then this mounts to the door, and then the door will be able to swing out. The kind I bought are the kind that have both hinges mounted on a common bar. That way you keep the pins in line, and that you won't have any binding in the door that way. These are the smallest ones I could find. You can see with the height of the door here, they're a little bit too long. I'm just going to cut this and shorten it and re-weld it and splice that. So that, maybe about 4 inches, so that they both wind up on this flat plane here. And then eventually those will get, a brace will get welded in behind there to mount down to a dash bar, a steel tube dash bar. That'll be mounted on the body bolt. And that will stiffen all of this up here in the front, so the doors will be mounted nice and stiff. So that's the plan. So here's the hinge marked for cutting. I'm going to do a scarf joint type of approach to get a better surface area to weld to. There is the hinge cut. It's on top of the cardboard template that I was using to lay the whole thing out. Here's welded up. Note that I used a rod between the hinge pins to keep it aligned. Very important there. The first mock-up for the hinge location and marked for cutting, and then getting it cut and putting the hinges in. I tried to test the install. It didn't quite open far enough. I had to move the hinge point further out towards the body. That's a very critical location for those hinge pins for the door to clear properly. Here I'm prepping the door to cut in the hinges, cut the inside out there to get better access to the inside, and cut a couple of slots in where the hinge straps go in. It's all going to be braced inside the door, but here it is fitting flush now, and so the mock-up looks pretty good. I'm not going to permanently mount the doors until after I get the dash bar in, and I got to build some door frames. That'll be in part 2. Enjoy.